Hi friends, I am Tilak and you are watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we are going to see how to delete the page Word document. You can delete a page and in WPS Office site. If you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to delete the blank pages or how to delete a page first of all. So you can see there is a 4 pages and I just need a first page alone and I just want to delete my remaining pages. So actually there is a no option to delete the pages in any document. You just want to minimize the pages like this, then you just want to delete you just want to first select the entire page that you don't want. For an example, I just want to delete the second and third page. I just selected that and click on the backspace on your keyboard. The automatically the first and fourth page will be remained on the document and the third and second page automatically deleted. So only you can select the entire page by resizing it and choose to the bottom and click on the backspace button on your keyboard, which automatically delete your page. So try this option. I think this video helped you a lot about how to delete the page, and if it is really useful, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. And if you want more content about WPS Office site, you just follow this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.